Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Versa radio. First, gather your essential tools like trim removal tools and a screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting. Also, make sure you have the correct replacement radio unit that is compatible with your Nissan Versa model. This preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Now let's remove the old radio. Using your trim removal tools, carefully pry off the trim panels surrounding the radio. Take your time to avoid scratching any surfaces. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting screws holding the radio in place. Unscrew these, then gently pull the old radio unit out. Remember to disconnect all the wiring harnesses from the back. With the old radio out, it's time for the new one. Connect the new radio's wiring harness to the vehicle's corresponding connectors. Make sure all connections are secure. Carefully slide the new radio into the dashboard opening, aligning it properly. Secure it by reattaching the mounting screws you removed earlier. Finally, snap the trim panels back into place around the new unit. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Now, turn on your ignition and thoroughly test all the functions of your new radio. Check the radio, Bluetooth, and any other features to ensure everything works perfectly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.